Well, I'm afraid that my nose itches. Still. Oop. Okay, ready? We're gonna do this on camera. Ready? Look at that. Perfectly uneven heart. It's okay, our love is kind of weird, so our heart's gonna be weird too, okay? Oh, look at that!
Schmow.
Schmow! Bam! Dun, dun. Look at these kick butt Vans. They got big feet, dude. Look at that. Wow, yeah, I got big feet. Their size, what size are they? Oh, it doesn't say right there. It says US, they're 10.5. UK, oh, the UK I wear 9.5. In Europe I wear 44s.
Oh my god.
In CM, what's CM? Country is CM.
Are you sure it's not CN?
CM, 28.5.
Who knows?
China maybe? It says made in
Be China.
Because it says made in China, so I'm figuring maybe China, CM.
But how would China be CM?
Chinamen, okay?
What about Canada?
Canada, mama. Exchanging of words. I love you too. What a beautiful wedding. What a beautiful Vans. And these are Ennies. And these are Converses. I got a lot of shoes in here. I got oh, dude, look at these boots. Oh, I gotta, okay, look at my messy corner. Look, okay, dude. Look at those. Those are monstrous right there. Those could kill a person. And then I got my flats in here. I got my flip-flops. I got my other Vans, which I don't really like these ones. They're too not cool. And then I got my other Converses. And then I got Laura shorts.
Laura shorts.
And I got my charger thing. And I'm not going to dig because there's probably something under there that's alive. There probably is. I wouldn't doubt it. It's probably like bugs.
A monster.
Dude, there was a cricket in my room the other night.
There's a cricket in my room and I can't find it.
It was like seriously that big, and it was okay. I didn't have my contacts in, so I was like sitting on my bed. No, I was sitting right here. Okay, so I'm sitting, oh wait, we're gonna start this story in another video.